Hello people! Today we're installing a glass balustrade to partition off the garden to make it more child friendly. I've measured out all the spaces and laid out the brackets of where they're going to go. Here we have the drill, the bracket, holes that are going to hold it. We specially ordered some rubber seals to hold the glass in place. I've marked out some holes and just drilled some pilot holes. Now we're making sure the pilot holes are deep enough to fit these screws.
They wouldn't have made another one for me.
We're having a little bit of trouble, they're not quite going deep enough. I ordered a special drill bit for this and it said this was the exact length for them screws. But when it goes in the drill bit doesn't go that deep, it's slightly fatter and we're having a problem that the screws are no longer going deep enough. Come up with a genius idea, or not very genius idea, of just cutting tips off each of the bolts. As you can see, I didn't have any safety gear. Well, I did, but I couldn't find any at the time. So if you are doing this yourself, you should wear eye protection. It's the old saying, do as I say, not as I do. We've installed the rubber and we've put the glass into the rubber, we've knocked it in as far as it'll go, and then we've done the same on the other post and we've pushed it up to the glass so it's a solid seal, and now we're going to drill the holes for the other bracket to hold it in place. And the glass going into the rubber is such a tight fit. Here's a little tip for you. We've got some washing up liquid and run it down the edge of the glass to help it slide in more easily. I need a lot more of these bolts, so I'm going to cut all the ends off of all of them.